Are you ready to take your career to the next level? In today's fast-paced world, the demand for skilled professionals in tech and construction has never been higher. Industries like cable installation, fiber optics, satellite systems, and underground cabling are essential to our modern infrastructure. These sectors require experts who can get the job done efficiently and effectively. That's where Protreon comes in. Protreon is not just another job listings website. We specialize in connecting top talent with industries that are building the future. Whether you're a company looking to fill critical roles or a job seeker ready to advance, Protreon is the platform for you. Every day, leading companies across the nation trust Protreon to find the right candidates. Our platform hosts a wide array of job opportunities, from tech positions, corporation to corporation, independent contracting, to construction and contracting roles. With new listings added daily, there is always a fresh opportunity waiting for you. For job seekers, Protreon offers a streamlined experience. Finding the perfect job has never been easier. With thousands of active candidates already registered, our platform is a bustling hub of talent and opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Protreon connects you with the right opportunities quickly. At Protreon, we believe in more than just filling jobs. We're building careers that help shape the world, one project at a time. Visit Protreon today and discover the opportunity that will elevate your career. Protreon, building the future, one job at a time. Join us today and start your journey to success. Imagine having access to a diverse range of job opportunities, all in one place. With Protreon, you can do just that. Our platform is designed to meet the needs of both job seekers and employers. For companies, Protreon provides access to a pool of talented professionals. We understand the importance of finding the right fit for your team. That's why we offer a targeted approach to recruitment. Protreon helps you identify candidates with the specific skills and experience you need. Say goodbye to long hiring processes and hello to efficiency. Our platform ensures that you find the right candidate quickly. For job seekers, Protreon offers a user-friendly experience. Easily search for jobs that match your qualifications and interests. Apply to positions with just a few clicks. Our system keeps you updated on your application status. No more wondering if you've been noticed. Protreon makes job hunting straightforward and stress-free. We believe that finding your dream job should be an exciting journey, and with Protreon it is. Sign up today and become part of a vibrant community of professionals. Your next career move is just a click away. Discover how Protreon can transform your job search. Join thousands of other professionals who trust Protreon. We're committed to helping you succeed. Protreon, your partner in building a brighter future. Visit our website, Protreon.com, and start your journey today. Let Protreon connect you with the opportunities you've been looking for. We're more than a job platform. We're a career-building partner. Ready to make your next move? Protreon is here to guide you every step of the way. Experience the future of job searching with Protreon. Start building the career you deserve. So join us at Protreon.com. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. It's free to register, so join us today.